Okay, so I'm just going to look at a circle. So the basic equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Now, if you go into Desmos, you can have a really good play around with this. I'm just putting x squared plus y squared and just keep changing the end number. So I'm just going to make it a 4. I want to make it a square number because that will be easy to square root. So if you put it into Desmos, you'll notice that what you end up with, and by the way, the square buttons in Desmos, you can just use that on your computer, and that will put in x to the power of 2. Or if you go to your keyboard down the bottom, you'll find there is actually an x squared button. Okay, so that means that the square root of 4 would be 2. That will equal your radius. Okay, so to get our radius, just to make it clear, you look at the number at the end, which is the 4, and then you must take that number and you have to square root it. When you square root it, you'll get the radius. That means the radius, because the radius is the distance from the centre out, okay, out to here. That means that is always 2 units. So just around the outside here on the axis, just put 2 minus 2 and minus 2, because it is always 2 units. The centre of the circle here is 0, 0. That's that point in the middle there. We're sitting at the centre. So let's just look at another one. So if we have x squared plus y squared, say equals 9, then if you square root the 9, you get the radius, so it's 3, and the centre is 0, 0. So let's draw our circle. So that'll be 3, 3, minus 3, minus 3. Okay, so the centre here is 0, and that's the thing in the middle, and the radius is how far out, and that will just be the square root of 9 is 3. It's as simple as that. So once again, let's just look at this. So what would the centre be, and what would the radius be? Okay, so the centre here would be 0, 0, and the radius would be the square root of 16, which is 4.